back to Nights of Tequila. And today, well, we're gonna have some fun. A celebration, if you will, for two reasons. One, well, it's Victoria's birthday. And two, the incredible feast she's about to whip up. Tell them what we're feasting on.
We're gonna be feasting on some Fiesta Tilapia.
Fiesta. She somehow made the garbage of the sea taste incredible. Follow along. Now today's non-sponsored tequila, it's Juarez, which I believe in Latin is shit. Because we thought we'd have something that paired really nicely with this really quality fish, the tilapia. All right, so where do we get started?
All right, so we defrost the tilapia and then you preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
So we've got our pan. Well, that was easy. Now what?
Now we just add a couple spices on it.
All right, so ground cumin, chili powder, paprika, and garlic. Basically enough seasoning to mask the nothingness of this amazing fish.
And salt and pepper.
Ah.
Just a little salt, and pepper.
Tequila experiment 1. Jalapeno chaser?
Let's try it.
Save you from the Juarez.
Chink.
God.
Actually.
No, that's terrible. All right, so I got both mustards, spicy mustard and regular mustard. Jalapeno is still burning my face off.
I like it. Ooh, this one's just coming up as little spots.
Squeeze harder, need the lines.
Spicy globs.
Looks like a kid made this.
I mean, it's gonna taste delicious.
So next.
Next.
Ooh.
Yep, Greek yogurt. You can use regular sour cream, but for health benefits,
Glob?
a good glob.
Like a centerpiece glob.
Spread it all on there.
All right, where'd you find this feast? Internets?
No internet for this one. My dad showed me it, and I just tweaked it a little bit, and it's delicious. Next, all right, now we add all the toppings.
All right, so we got jalapeno.
And then we have some tomato too.
Get on it.
Do some onion now. Okay. Are you gonna feed me some Greek yogurt? Oh!
Lick it. Still shitty. Oh, we're still working on toppings. Onions.
Yes, onions.
Cilantro.
Yeah. Ooh. It's looking like a little party already.
Actually looks good. All right, we were missing, see, we pre-cut everything else, but these little mini peppers, you can watch us shred.
Did you know green peppers don't have any health benefits?
Well, none of them are green.
Exactly. You know it.
Nutrition lies.
Yeah. I like cutting them in littler pieces, so I just chop them.
Littler.
Smaller.
There you go.
Okay. Ooh.
All right. Yeah. Hand grab.
Ooh. Perfect. You're doing great. Got that one.
All right, looks amazing. Oven time.
Wait. We got to add one more ingredient.
Wink. Oh.
We need some lemon.
So I guess while we wait, we've got 15 minutes and our feast is complete. We'll give it one more attempt at making this not taste awful.
Should we just squirt lemon juice in our mouth?
That could work. Yeah, we're taking half shots. It's horrible. Still. Well, buffet back.
Buffet back?
We'll try them all.
Cheers.
dude. That's not so bad. Fiesta. And here we are. The Fiesta Tilapia. We'll plate it all nice like. Doesn't exactly look like garbage anymore now, does it?
Looks like a fiesta.
But the tequila, still garbage. But we'll give a last attempt at, we'll use this as the chaser. Well,
I take a little bite, you take a little bite?
deal.
Okay.
Oh, it's bad.
We did it again.
Damn. All right. You like what we just got done cooking up? Of course you did. Now I'm not gonna be petty and beg for your subscription. Just do it.